how to make bold text on a TikTok comment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to comment on TikTok using bold text. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And the method I'm going to show you to make bold text can also be used to change the font, use italics text, cursive, things like that. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is actually open up a browser and navigate to texttrick.com. Check the description. I'll have a link down there. I created texttrick.com. It's a really easy tool that allows you to type any text right here. And then once you type your text, you can scroll down and you'll see all the different fonts that you can use on TikTok. So there's different bolds right here. Once you find a font or a bold that you want to use on TikTok, just select copy next to it. And then we can go back to TikTok. And when you leave that comment, just paste that text into the field right there. And then if I send it, as you can see, I have now commented on TikTok using that bold cursive text. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.